Okay, so today we're gonna be doing like this easy and hard thing. It's really not easy and not hard. So you're gonna have seven purple pieces. Then you're gonna have six of these gray pieces right there. And then two of these gray pieces right here. And then three of these pieces. Okay, let's get started. Let me do the first step. I'm gonna do the first step right now, so don't worry. You're gonna take it's like silverish, and hook it like that. Okay? And then you're gonna take that same piece, and turn it around so you can see, and then hook another purple onto it like that. Okay, take another one, another gray piece. This is a different gray piece because of that one. And then you're going to take another purple one, and you're going to do that. So it looks like that. Then you're going to take another purple piece, and another gray piece. Those two. Take the gray piece, and then hook it on like this. Okay? And then you're going to hook a purple to there. Give me a minute. Okay. And then it looks like this. And then keep doing that until you get all the way around. You'll have a little space left for the next step. So it takes a minute to get done with this step, so just take your time. Okay, and then it's supposed to look like this. And then with a gap. Okay, that. And then you're going to take, one of these. You're going to hook that onto it, right there. make it flat. Take one of those. Wait, no. Hook it like that on the second one. And then do that. There we go. Then over here. This time it's going to be the first one, like that. And then another gray one onto this one. And put that flat down. And then the second one again. No. Sorry. First one. But then the second one on this part. And it looks like the